What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721, checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at a upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release August 30th. But before we get into the main attraction, wanted to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Women Exclusive Nostalgia, aka Chenille. These right here are supposed to be releasing July 23rd. I do have pairs available and shipping out right now on FineLine1721.com. If you want to get a full review on this shoe, I also have the video live on the channel. Now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the review. Taking a quick look at the box, elephant print all over. Elephant multiplied by Jordan equals the GOAT. Taking a look at the box label, Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, rush orange, fossil stone. Flip this lid back, more elephant print paper. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Desert Elephant. Getting right into the top-down view of the shoe. All gray suede tongue, orange Jumpman logo sitting on the top, light gray sock liner with the orange lining behind the tongue. Bottom eyelets, they are dressed in a orange colorway to match the Jumpman logo and the lining behind the tongue. Quick little stress test on this toe box. Has some nice little leather right here. Very, very similar to most of the Retro 3s that we've been getting over the last couple of years. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, more of that nice little tumbled leather throughout the whole upper. Smooth leather right here atop the midsole, wrapping around through the whole mud guard. Going around to the heels of the shoe, medium brown accent color right here on the heels, replacing that gray elephant print. Nice little sail midsole with the black accent and a clear air bubble unit. Taking a quick look at the outsoles of the shoe, the same gray color that we have on the tongue is present right here on the outsoles with the same orange colorway right here on the toe and the Jordan branding. Going around to the heels of the shoe, all black heel tab with the white Jumpman Air logo sitting on the back. Flipping around to the medial side, same exact way as the lateral side, nothing different there. That about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Desert Elephant. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick them up early, you can do so. Head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. These are shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.